everyone, 12/36 here. For today, we are going to shoot fireworks. Happy New Year's Eve! And, well, leave a subscribe if you want to. Leave a thumbs up. Ooh. Well, I'm gonna show you. It's horrible! Barely ever doing anything. It's awesome. Is that car-looking thing?
It was supposed to be. Oh, let me see. Let me see. Guys, back up.
Yes, we have so much fireworks. 2 more tubes. We have these tubes with 2 rocks by it. Everybody move! Hey, there's a car!
If a car comes, this is really bad.
Yeah. Man, this is awesome. I'm going to zoom it up. Guys, can your thing zoom?
Yeah.
That is.
Hey, Aria, be careful of that candle.
Can I have the lighter, please?
Can I do it, Nick?
Alexander, you guys can get sparklers.
Sparklers! Alright.
Me and Dina share a pack. Yeah.
Go over there and get the packs of,
We got
Oh, we have sparklers!
hey, you guys get over there.
I'm going to zoom out. Try to interpret this in the comments.
Daddy's lighting the water.
That's for me.
Okay. Alright.
Guys, the
You
fireworks.
guys need to get out.
Hello. And then just lay it on the ground.
Alright, he's going to light the thing.
This way.
Alright.
I'm gonna smack somebody. Wait, can you say near me, Rand?
Woo! That's my sister. That's my brother.
Wait, Randy, can you say near me? Okay, guys, stop that like that, like in my camera or something. So yeah.
I am?
Yeah. This is the thingy. Wait, that's too.
That's our thing. Holy! Wow!
Oh my god!
That was unexpected.
I just whacked myself with
Oh my god! This. He's like, what the? Is there an explosion? Should I get out of here? Yes. This is mine. This is all mine. I have this. My sparkular.
Hiya!
Oh, you want to go? That's my little brother. That's my.
Brother!
That's my sister. That's my sister. I cannot. That's my sister. Sister. Awkward, cringe session.
Oh yeah.
It's cringe session. My grandmother's over there. You cannot see because my light doesn't reach that far. My grandfather's over there. Oh!
There it goes. There's another one.
My dad's gonna die.
Oh my god! Kill me!
Appa!
I just whacked myself.
Look at the sparkular.
No, I'm deleting all of them. I'm deleting all of them.
Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I don't really care if you do. Leave a thumbs up or comment.
No.
Please.
No.
Please.
Leave a comment. Toy 936.
Yeah. You want to go? You want to go?
I got a firework.
But my thing, someone else has the YouTube name, ToyBonnie36. So I'm going to change it to Toy Bonnie 58. Nah, I'm just going to do Randy Plays. Not
The
really.
army one and the other one.
I'm just going to do Randy Vlogs. Guys,
Oh my god.
my YouTube name's going to be... My new YouTube name will be Derek Vlogs. I mean, Randy Vlogs. Randy Vlogs.
Leave a comment. Have you seen Derek's?
Yeah, it's based off.
And that's it. Bye.